how to allow certain contacts to ring or call you even on Do Not Disturb mode. So if you want to allow certain contacts to ring or call you even on Do Not Disturb mode, then what you need to do is go with your contacts and select a contact. And after that, you can go with the upper right, which has that star option, and add it to favorites. Once you've added the contact to your favorites, now you just need to simply go back and you need to go with Control Center. Under your Control Center, you need to go with Do Not Disturb option, which is right here. Tap and hold on to that Do Not Disturb and it will take you to this kind of interface. So if you turn on Do Not Disturb option, you need to go with calls, which is under the exceptions right here. Just go with calls and you need to choose the starred contacts. And that's it. Now, if you keep your phone on Do Not Disturb, then the starred contact will be able to call you, or you will be able to listen or have the ring even on Do Not Disturb mode. So that's how you can allow certain contacts to ring or call even on Do Not Disturb mode. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.